Okay. Hello, my friends. This is another day, okay, on this job, and I just finished to break all the, I don't know how you call this red things, okay, and now I'm putting on the wall a material so the normal cement will glue better on the wall, okay, because this is concrete, okay. I will show you. A normal cement will come out from this concrete, okay, so and give him a special product so the cement will glue better on the concrete, okay. Let me show you. Now, as you can see over here, okay, was this, how do you call this? I don't know, in Spanish is ladrillos, okay, was a road, so I take them off. So this over here, it's concrete. As you can see, the old cement doesn't glue very well on this concrete. So look at this. I will give him this white product as I was doing here, okay, and then with cement, as I did on this front over here, I will do here also. Let me show you. Okay. There I have a conditioner air that's screwing my rope. Well, it's not, I'm not touching it, so I'm not in no danger to cutting my rope, but you know, makes a lot of sound like so this is fucked me up, okay. Now, as I promised, I will take you on this journey with me with every step on this job. So the other day I took off everything that was bad on this wall over here, okay, and now I will fix it as good as I can. As you can see, I'm totally protected here. Everything that is falling down over there, okay, so no worries. I'm working legally, my friends, okay. I have my gloves and in my backpack, but as you can see, I don't wear them. I don't know why. Yeah, my top, it's legally where it's supposed to be. So this, it calls cola cement, or you know, something like this. I don't know how you call this. I don't know if you have this on other countries, you know, but this is like a white, very strong cement, you know, or something like this. It's a product. So a regular cement will glue better on the concrete, you know, because if you are experienced constructors, you know that the cement doesn't work very good on concrete, you know, or at least in this country. So first I will put this and then I will fix this, okay, this wall over here. Now guys, I have a new problem. Let me explain to you what kind of problem I have. Now, as you know, I'm a pretty impulsive guy, okay? Every comment that I receive, I dedicate myself to fuck up the guy who put the comment, like who put the bad comment or something like this, you know, or if the guy it's anonymous and put some comments on my channel, I will fuck him up. I will dedicate a video just for him, you know, because I'm impulsive and because I care about my job. Now I have another problem. Well, I am a little bit afraid to tell you what kind of problem do I have. Okay. These Spanish guys, you know, Spanish people, they have a television that called Mega. It's like Mega television, you know, something like this. I don't know, a stupid television. Like you Brits have CNN, they have Mega, you know, or Netflix, they have Mega, or I don't know, something like this, okay? And the stupid asshole director, okay, thought that rope access technician will be a pretty good subject to make a documentary, okay? So these guys just made a documentary on the rope access technician jobs. Fuck me right now, okay? And because we are talking about a series, okay, it's not like documentary, it's something entertaining, it's something, I don't know, it's a stupid motherfucking thing, you know, okay, I totally agree with that. The problem is that these guys were like, we will take, you know, companies to see what happened to blah blah blah, and okay, and from the trailer of the series, I saw some things, you know, and you know me, I cannot shut up. Dude, just shut the fuck up, you know, because this is a big television show, so maybe they will fuck me up, you know, but I cannot shut up. I'm so stupid that I cannot shut up, okay? So in the trailer, which has like 2 minutes or 2 minutes and a half, okay, I saw like 5 accidents, you know what I mean? So imagine that I am filming myself right now, okay, and I have 2 accidents, major accidents right now, so I can entertain you guys, okay? Now, there is no problem in that, you know, because, okay, television, entertainment, let's sell some tickets, okay, it's pretty good. But on the other side, you know, if someone normal will see the show, not like, because if we rope access technicians will see the show, we will laugh so hard that these motherfuckers beginners, okay, filming that will be like a great thing to do. Okay, get it? So, but if the normal peoples will see the show with so many accidents in the show, they will think, oh my god, oh shit, oh Jesus, Lord, help me right now. How the fuck these guys work? This job is so dangerous. Like, so I cannot hire these guys, you know. We cannot hire these guys because look at this job, is so dangerous, you know. So this stupid ass television Mega, okay, with this show will a little bit, I mean, if the show is crap, doesn't matter, you know, will do not affect our job like that. But if the show is like, I don't know how you call that, bitches with a big ass, you know, that suck the dick from that guy who sings songs, rap songs, how you call that, the Kardashians, okay, the Kardashians, that big ass bitch would, okay. So if the show will be successful, okay, bye bye rope access, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean? It's like if in a half-hour show you put 5 accidents, my God, what happened every day? Like we have 20 rope access, today just died 5 of them, tomorrow will die another 5 of them. What is this? But guys, I'm not telling you anything, okay? Not criticizing, because I didn't see it, okay? I saw only the trailer and I was like, oh my God, I will dedicate myself to you, my friends. Oh my, why did you do that? Okay, so far I'm chill, I'm waiting, okay, and when the show will came out, I will put you the link, okay guys, so you can see from yourself and we can comment on their stupidity, okay, because let me explain to you something. I have a little of power in this job of ours, you know. On my English channel, okay, I have like 1,000 subscribers, you know. I have like 300 views on a day, which is like nothing, you know. I mean, it's not a big deal. But on my Spanish channel, I have like 3,000 subscribers, you know. And I have like 2,000 views on day. So normally my Spanish channel is bigger than my English channel, you know. So if the show that will come on the Mega television called Colgados, okay, will be crappy, I will fuck them up, if you know what I mean, okay? Because why don't you make a show that, oh look, this is a company that makes bread, okay, oh, it's so dangerous this job, these guys are making bread all day long, oh my God, it's so interesting, you know. Why do you have to pick up on my job? So I will announce to you right now, my friends, that, I mean, you know, if the show will be good, no problem, okay, I will accept it if the show is good, okay, if the show shows like real stuff, everyday work, you know. But as you all know, all TV shows to sell tickets, you know, to make money, they will put something very interesting, you know, which is not true, but it's interesting. So if this will happen in this show, I will literally fuck them up. You know what I mean? I will take every series of that, every episode, every second of this show, and I will commentate on this channel and on the other channel, you know, and I will explain what happened, okay? Because I don't really like this, you know, because I don't know how is in England or in Germany or in, I don't know, some kind of country, but in Spain people are a little bit afraid of hiring rope access because, you know, it's so dangerous job, so I don't want anyone to die on my you know, and stuff like this. And what do? You make a TV show with accidents. Really? I mean, don't get me wrong, okay? Accidents can happen, okay? Like not okay, accidents, okay, incident or whatever, okay? This is like normal stuff, you know, can happen, but not that often, you know. Oh, if you show the truth, you know, not like, how do you call that movie when this guy was on the mountain and he ran and he jumped from the mountain to the mountain, you know that movie with this O'Donnell that plays a child of Batman? How do you call that movie? It was like, I don't know, you know. Every mountain guy knows that this is not possible, okay? Every mountain guy, but that was movie, you know what I mean? It's science fiction, it's something real, okay? If the director make a movie like this with a little bit of truth, you know, this is his, you know, but don't make documentary about this, okay? It's like, guys, come on, it's like History Channel make a documentary about the Vikings, like Ragnar Lothbrok has wings and flies, and when he flies he farts and his ships will, I mean, come on guys, really? What is this, you know? So, as I was saying, if the documentary will be good, I am happy, because they will make our job more interesting, you know. We will be a part of this, will be everything okay. People will know that we are professional, that we can do a lot of jobs, you know. We can make money, okay, with this documentary, if this documentary is done well, you know, like the truth, you know. You make a documentary, you have to follow the truth, okay, not stupid asshole so you can sell tickets, okay? Make it good, I totally agree. But if they screw this up, I will fuck them off, you know what I mean, guys? I will, and I will fuck them up. Now, I will keep you posted with this series, okay? Should be interesting, because it's the first series, is the first documentary about rope access, I think, isn't it? I mean, nobody did that before, so I think it will be a very good choice, you know. But that's why they should make it good, because, you know, it's a dangerous subject, because it affects our work. I have here a cable, I don't know what this cable is. I hope I'm not getting electrocuted Okay, so now here I don't have concrete, I have this. So here I don't need to put, here I will put some white stuff. Here also I will put this white solution, white miracle, okay? Now the problem is with this, I'm not a constructor, I'm not very good at fixing things like with cement, and I do this, you know, but I'm not like professional doing this, you know, because I do this today, I do this again after 2 months, I do this again, I will do this again after 4 months, 5 months, so I'm not like very good on this. But the company that I work for has a professional constructor guy, okay? And this guy came to me and said, look, here you will break this, okay? You will take this off, okay? And you will put this white paste over here, and after that you will fix them with cement. And I was like, yes sir, you know, because this guy is professional, so cable, stupid ass cable. So it's a smart idea to listen to the professionals, you know what I mean, guys? So that's what I'm doing this, because this guy, this construction professional type of guy, just told me I have to do this. But he was like, look, you have to give him a very thin layer of this white stuff, you know, because this, if you give him a bigger layer, will crack and will, look at this,